Hello students, welcome to Surafset's classes. Today I am going to solve problem from sequence and series. Now the problem is the sequence here given, that is 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the power 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 to the power 4 till infinity. Now we have to find out the sum of this infinite series. Now to find out the sum, we have to find the nth term, and to find nth term we have to guess the pattern. Here we are seeing the pattern, that is 1 when n equal to 1, it is 1, and this is also 1. When n equal to 2, then this is changed to 2, and it is changed to 2 square, and it is changed to 2 to the 4. When n equal to 3, then it is changed to 3, this is changed to 3 square, and this is changed to 3 to the 4. In this way we find what is Tn, and here we can see that Tn equal to n by 1 plus n square plus n to the power 4. In this way, now we can easily factorize 1 plus n square plus n to the power 4. So I am seeing here 1 plus n, here 1 plus n square plus n to the power 4, that is equal to 1 plus 2n square plus n to the power 4 minus n square, that is equal to 1 plus n square whole square minus n square equal 1 plus n plus n square into 1 minus n plus n square. In this way, now we have to write n in the form of 1 plus n square and 1 minus n plus n square. Now we are seeing that 1 plus n square minus 1 minus n plus n square, this is equal to 1 cancelling out, n square cancelling out, and n plus n equal to 2n. So from here we are getting n equal to half of 1 plus n square minus 1 minus n plus n square. So now we will go to Tn, which is n by 1 plus n square plus n to the 4, where we will replace n with half of 1 plus n square minus 1 minus n plus n square, and 1 plus n square plus n to the 4 with 1 plus n square into 1 minus n plus n square. Now we are writing Tn equal to half of 1 n square minus n plus 1 minus n square minus n plus 1 whole by n square plus n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1. Now it is half, and n square plus n plus 1 is cancelling out from this, so it is 1 by n square minus n plus 1 minus again n square minus n plus 1 is cancelling out from here, so it is 1 by n square plus n plus 1, so it is Tn equal to half of 1 by n square minus n plus 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. Now putting the values of n, we are getting T1 equal to half of 1 by 1 square minus 1 plus 1, that is 1, so it is 1 only, and it is minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1, that is 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 3. T2 equal to half of 1 by 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2, it is 2 and it is 3, so it is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 square plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 7. Now T3 to half of 1 by 3 square minus 3 square minus 3 plus 1, that is 9 minus 3 plus 1, that is 7 only, so it is 1 by 7 minus it is 1 by n square plus n plus 1, 3 square plus 3 plus 1, that is 9, 11 and 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, it is 1 by 13. In this way it is going till Tn. So here T1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, T2 equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7, T3 equal to half of 1 by 7 minus 1 by 13. In this way it is Tn equal to half of 1 by n square minus n plus 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1, and when I am summing up them, this 1 by minus 1 by 3 is cutting with 1 by 3, minus 1 by 7 is cancelling with 1 by 7. In this way this will be cancelling out, so that nth term of 1 by n square plus n plus 1 series sequence is same with the n plus 1th term of the sequence 1 by n square minus n plus 1. So they are cancelling like this. So the sum of the series, if it is Sn, then it is equal to half 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. So Sn equal to half of 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. In this way, if the sum of the series is S equal to limit n tends to infinity Sn. Now Sn equal to half of 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. So it is limit n tends to infinity half of 1 minus 1 by n square plus n plus 1. Now n tends to infinity, so n square plus n plus 1 tends to infinity. So 1 by n square plus n plus 1 tends to 0. So it is limit infinity, this is 0. So it is half into 1 minus 0, so it is half. So here the sum of the series is s equal to half. So here 1 by 1 plus 1 square plus 1 to the 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 square plus 2 to the 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 square plus 3 to the 4, and this way till infinity is equal to half. Thank you.